So here we have the Volkswagen Golf TSI Match on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with the 60/40 split folding rear seat. And then underneath this tray section, a space saver spare wheel. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles for this car, which are 8,766. The information that's displayed above that can be changed using buttons on the steering wheel. We're on the driving data menu at the moment, which has bits of fuel economy, as well as that digital readout for the speedometer you see being displayed there. But there are other menus available to us, so assist systems, navigation, audio, telephone, vehicle status, and then background to where we started. To go through those various different options, you need to use these buttons here and here. We've also got phone controls over that side as well. On the left-hand side, we have cruise control and speed limiter. And this car has the ability to maintain its own distance between this car and the car in front. Hit that button and it will slow down and speed up according to the car in front's speed. And there's a video showing that working on our website. It's well worth checking that out. Over into the centre, we have the touch screen for the car. So this is where you will, amongst other things, pair your phone. It's also where you can find the radio. This car has got DAB, FM and AM radio all available. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. Just hit the media button. And then you can see all the different ways in which you can listen to your own music. So they range from, obviously, CD player, USB input. You can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. This car's also got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how that works on both our website and on our Facebook page. Working our way down from that, we have the air conditioning. So this will turn the fans on and adjust their speed. You can determine the temperature with this dial and direction of the air with this one. When you're happy with those settings, hit that button to turn the air conditioning on. You can also turn on the heated driver and passenger seats. Both have 3 different heat settings each, as you can see. Below that, we have this cubbyhole section that opens up. And if I move the gear lever out the way, you can see the USB and auxiliary input are inside there. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic DSG gearbox. To the right hand side of that, this button turns off or on the parking sensors. Over here, you can turn off the stop and start. This car's designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. Hit that button and that system is now turned off. And the button above it will change the driving mode setup for the car. So you can put the car in eco, normal, sport, or individual. If it's on individual, you can change all of these things to have them however you wish to have them. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.